welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while, not going to lie. It's been a hell of a long time, and to be honest I don't even remember what my last video was on my YouTube channel, which is actually very bad. But yeah, I was in and out of jobs at first. I worked at Urban Decay for 3 months. I think you guys remember me saying that. I think I did a video while I was at Urban Decay. Ooh, maybe. I don't remember. I actually genuinely don't remember what my last video was. Oh, my chair is spinning. But yeah, I was in and out of jobs after I graduated from uni. Then I went to India for 6 weeks, which was amazing. I do have a vlog on it, but I don't think I'm going to put it up, only because my Indian family don't exactly understand everything that I'm doing here, and they're in it, so I don't want them being a bit like, I'm on YouTube, so I'm not going to put it up, I don't think. But I will keep you guys posted if I do on my social media, which is my Instagram, Snapchat and Twitter, and they're all at Secrets of Sonika. I will leave it down below here for you guys. All the products for this makeup look, which is my up-to-date everyday makeup look, will be down below in the description box. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment and hit that subscribe button down below, because I am going to start posting more regularly. I know I said that a good couple of times in a lot of my other videos, but I'm still free, don't have a job, still doing my beauty and things, so hit me up. Not hit me up, that was a wrong word. Subscribe, that's the word. Subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. So we're gonna go straight in, and I've already done my brows, and now I'm priming my skin with my PS Pro. This is an Illuminator, and I'm just going to pop this all over my face as a base and a primer, and this is just going to give that luminosity back into our skin. And I'm just using a flat top brush or a foundation brush just to blend this all in. Once you've blended that in, we're going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Color Corrector, and I'm just going to put this under my eyes and around my mouth, just where there might be a little bit of discoloration. So being Asian, we girls and guys tend to have a bit of darkness around our lips, so I'm just going to pop that down just so it counteracts for when we do put in our concealer and foundation. And I'm just going to go in and blend that out. Then I'm going to go in with the Total Control Drops by NYX. I'm not sure which colour I am, so I will leave that down in the description box below for you guys. I'm just going to drop this all over, and then I'm going to go in with my damp beauty blender and just blend it all out. Then I'm going in with my eraser eye just to highlight, so that would be under the eyes, down the bridge of my nose, just slightly around my mouth, on my temples, and sometimes underneath where my contour would be, and on my chin. I know I look very crazy, guys, but trust me, it will all fall together. I'm just going to grab a blending brush that you would use normally for your eyeshadow, but I I've recently started using this just to blend out my highlight, and I learnt this from P. Louise. She tends to use it because it's smaller and it concentrates the product in the area where you need it. And so I'm just going to do this, and under my eyes I do it very close towards my eyes, but then coming a bit further down where the highlight is, I will blend that out with a beauty blender. You will see that a little bit later on. Like I said, I was going to grab the beauty blender and just blend the lower half out. I like to use the brush just a bit further up, but then further down I tend to use either a bigger brush or a beauty blender. Then we are going to set these areas in place, and the powder that I'm using, I was going to say something else that I just don't even ask. The powder that I'm using is the Ash Cosmetics, and this doesn't give flashback, and I love that. And I'm just using my damp beauty blender just to bake under my eyes, and whatever's left on my brush I'm just going to set the areas where we've highlighted. While we let that bake, we're going to bronze up. Now, I have no idea what this bronzer is called, but it's very good. It doesn't seem to run out, guys, honestly. Every time I'm trying to like hit pan with this. It's the first item that I'm trying to hit pan with. I do love it, but it just won't hit pan. It's like never ending. So we're just going to bronze up near our forehead, just around our cheeks, and just a little bit under our chin area, so where your jawline is. This is just going to bring in a bit more warmth into the skin, and we do also contour. So now I'm going in with my NYX contour palette, and we are just going to contour up again in the same places where we put our bronzer, so on our forehead, just on our cheekbones, down the bridge, not down the bridge of our nose, down the sides of our nose, just to solidify the nose, and on your jawline. This is to be done on the perimeters of your face, so where we've highlighted, that's going to brighten the area, and where we've contoured is going to make it look a bit sunk in, so it gives more depth and dimension to the face. Then I'm going in with some blush, and this is a compact, and it's the Estee Lauder one, but it's with Michael Kors in that way. I got it for my birthday about a year ago, 2 years ago maybe, but it's one of my favorite blushes. and we're just going to put this onto the apples of our cheeks and just drag it slightly up, and then we're just going to dust away where we have baked. And I do slightly go in with the banana shade from the contour palette, which I have hit pan on, and I'm just going to slightly brighten up them areas just a little bit more. Then I'm grabbing Iconic London, the highlighter stick, and we are going to highlight the top of our cheekbones just so we look amazing. And we can blind people with this, guys. Iconic London, I love you. And I'm using my finger just to pat this out, and I'm going to pop a little bit just above my brows, down the bridge of our nose, and I'm excluding my Cupid's bow, because I feel like when I do my Cupid's bow with a cream, it doesn't sit right, but everywhere else looks amazing. Then we're going to set with the Mist and Fix Dewy Setting Spray by Barry M. We're just going to spray this all over our face just to bring in our dewiness and everything stays in place. And guys, this is the final look. This is my foundation routine, everyday makeup routine. Hope you guys all enjoyed it, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.